I am Attorney Israelito P. Torrio, no? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nandito po kami ngayong gabi to inform the public that we have formally filed a petition for declaration of nullity of contract and or cancellation of contract, accounting, damages, attorney's fees, with prayer for TRO and or preliminary injunction. No? Ang plaintiff po dito ay sila Elias Lintukan Jr. at ang lahat po ng member ng Elias JTV Band. No? Naka-enumerate po ang lahat po ng members po ng Elias JTV Band against their manager Beverly Pumikpik Labad-Labad. We already issued to you previous to the press conference a press statement, no? As to why we filed this instant complaint before the RTC of Kidapawan. And the same explained that essentially our stand is the contract is void, not only voidable. Meaning, anong ibig sabihin yan? Wala pong visa yung kontrata po na napirmahan ni Elias dahil po yung kontrata po na iyon ay walang consideration. When I say walang consideration, at the time of the signing of the contract in April of 2025, April 4 to be exact, right? In Dumaguete City, the same, the Elias Lintukan or Elias JTV Band was already well known not only in the country but abroad as well. He was already a singing sensation. The band itself is widely known, while the manager Beverly Pumikpik Labad-Labad had no history whatsoever of managing any talent.